Hey guys, welcome to Fact Tech Point. Let's begin.
क्या अपनी फर्स्ट डेट पे आप किसी को आपका फोन चेक करने देंगे?
फाइनली कोई तो मिली है। Afreen, she's with a heart.
बहुत स्पेशल है, the most special, yes.
Welcome to Phone Swap. It's a super awkward dating show.
Oh my God! Wow!
Hi guys, what's up? I'm Riaz Ali. I'm a social media influencer. You might have seen me somewhere. All good, what's up?
I'm good.
What's your name? Sorry.
My name is Rashmi. What about you?
My name is Riaz.
Riaz, okay.
Yeah, Riaz Ali.
Riaz Ali, nice.
Right now she doesn't know me, so it will be fun.
What do you do?
I try to make videos.
Nice, lovely. What do you want to? Full-time reel?
I want to become an actor.
Nice. Hi, my name is Rashmi. I'm an air hostess.
Yeah, boy.
I'm sweet, cute, but my dating life is very dull. How long did you dated?
I never had a serious relationship till now.
Why?
कोई मिली नहीं अभी तक, ऐसा कोई serious हुआ नहीं अभी तक आज तक. You like?
I don't usually easily get attracted to guys. Okay. Time थोड़ा और लगेगा impress करने में.
Now, the moment of truth. We just let them know they have to trade phones.
My God. What the? Why am I here? Why?
क्या क्या बोला तूने? नहीं पहले क्या बोला? चल चल चलो जाके इलाज.
मेरे तोते उड़ गए थे totally. How are you nervous? थोड़ा दिख रहा है तुम्हारे माथे पे है ना?
मैंने आज तक दिया नहीं किसी.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया.
ये गया मैं Instagram पे इसके.
Okay.
11.7K. Nice.
Oh my God. Okay.
I really like her pictures. I need to take tips from her.
Thank you.
Let's go to her DMs.
No. नहीं.
Sunflower, sunshine, ना?
He's just my, cockpit friend.
ये क्या है? ये कुछ पर्सनल मैसेज लग रहा है, I guess.
God.
Let's check her WhatsApp. WhatsApp में जो मिलता है, वो Insta पे भी नहीं मिलता.
What?
Okay, there's one guy. Yes, baby. जल्दी हो, आगे भी आओ जाओ ना.
I have blocked this guy. He was behind me.
इन्होंने काफी बार ब्लॉक किया इनको यार, और अनब्लॉक भी किया. What is she checking?
What are this girl? Okay.
They are fan pages, yeah. They're my family, yeah.
I can see all celeb, especially. B Prak is also there. KB Lame. Cristiano Ronaldo is there.
I'm a fan of him. I met him.
My God, I'm so shocked.
ये तो मेरी फेवरेट वीडियो है.
Popular celebrities हैं इसके इंस्टा पे इतने सारे. And he's single. कैसे हो सकता है?
Time to trade back phones and find out.
I don't know उसका पर्सपेक्टिव क्या होता है. It can be good, it can be okay, but I hope it's great. She said, yes, I like it so far. Want to know him more. I find it interesting.
He said no. For now, I think we would be better off friends. We can vibe really well. I got little setback. मतलब मुझे नहीं अच्छा.
मस्त जोक मारा रे. ये हंस रहे हलकट हंस.